What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here, and hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday. As you guys know who've been around for a while, every Monday I like to drop a motivational Monday video, something that just inspires creators like myself, like all of us out there who are trying to get up and get out and shoot for the week. And so today's video, as you guys already saw from the thumbnail and the title, is very special. I actually was at NAB, and while I was down there I got a chance to meet CONNOLLY from Film Riot, which if you guys don't know what Film Riot is, you should definitely check it out. And honestly, I'm really shocked that you don't know what Film Riot is, but I got a chance to meet him, and instead of trying to take a picture with him or doing anything for myself personally, I actually asked him if he wouldn't mind giving a few words to all of us creators who need that little bit of a push to get out and create. And so without further ado, I want to go ahead and roll that clip and let you guys see what he had to say.
Yeah, I'm CONNOLLY from Film Riot, here with my friend Brandon at NAB, and you know, it's something that has been asked a lot, we've been talking about a little bit, is motivation or getting started, people feeling stuck and not doing their films, not getting into it because they think there's some kind of roadblock, where really the only roadblock is, you know, you. Sure, you have a lot of things that you need to do, but if you really have a passion for storytelling and you want to tell your stories, you just start doing it. However you have to do that, you start doing it. I mean, there's times where we're all sitting around doing nothing, or watching TV, binging Netflix, playing video games, whatever that is. Take that time and write something, put together a lookbook of something. Always be creating in some way, because when lightning hopefully finally strikes for you, you're going to be ready because of all that time you spent prepping for being able to make the things you've always wanted to make. So regardless of where you're at, if you don't even have a camera, there's still ways that you can be creating right now, even if you're not capturing it with a sensor. Maybe you're just creating storyboards and prepping for when that time comes. You kind of got to believe in yourself in that way, that at some point I'm going to be able to do this, and start doing it today.
So there you have it, guys. I mean, honestly, meeting him was super exciting. I've been looking up to him and Film Riot for the longest time. Actually, Film Riot was the very first thing that I watched on YouTube that started to teach me the filmmaking process. As a lot of you guys know, I did not have the ability to go to film school just financially, and I didn't want to go into a whole bunch of debt for it. That was not an option for me. So YouTube was my film school. Film Riot primarily was my film school, and getting a chance to meet him, and honestly, like, he was such a cool guy, someone who was really down to earth and literally did not bat an eye about doing this for you guys. And so it was really awesome for him to do a video like this. You know, it really touched on a really important thing that I always try to talk about, and that is just keep creating. Something that I had never thought about, but that he brought up, was that sometimes you don't have to have a camera to be creating. And so that could be, you know, sitting down, writing out a script or writing out video ideas. And this is something that I know for me, a lot of times when I'm trying to get creative, the first thing I do is I run and I go try to grab my camera, and then I try to think up an idea. But what if we could really focus on that creating without the camera? And so that's something that I know that I'm going to be focusing on this week. I have my notepad, I have my notebook, and I'm going to be just focusing on creating without my camera first, coming up with those concepts, coming up with those ideas, so that way when I do get my camera in my hands, it'll probably go a lot smoother. So this was just a quick little motivational Monday, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are into filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, all that good stuff, this is a perfect channel for you. So definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. On top of that, I still have a ton of NAB footage to come out and a ton more tutorials that I've already shot and I'm working on uploading now. So this channel is about to get pumped full of content. So again, thank you guys so much for checking out the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.